These are the new HX series Hyundai excavators. This is the HX400. It's about a 92,000 pound machine.
If you're a construction pro, be sure to sign up for our daily newsletter to get the latest updates in the industry.
Hi, I'm Joe Hodges. I'm the excavator product manager for Hyundai North America. We've seen a bunch of big upgrades from our previous generation, everything from increased plating on our lower frame. We have better tempering, better heat treatment, improvements to the track chain to reduce the wear on your wear components. We've seen improvements to the bosses, increased dimensions on the H linkage, and even larger bucket cylinders, all in the name of more productivity with a bigger standard bucket. We have auto grease standard from the factory, improved upper structure basically with a new modern design. The side access has been moved over for easier daily service and maintenance access. The power plant for the machine is now the new DX series Hyundai engines. So you have the DX08 7.5 liter. These machines' hydraulics have been upgraded to the new FEH, so electric over hydraulic, which enables better fuel economy, where you're only producing the power demanded by the operator, and easy upgradability to aftermarket 3D systems like Trimble or Topcon, where you're working with major contract sites and infrastructure. This machine comes with a technology option, so it has 4 different applications. You have 2D machine control from the factory. You have E-boundary, which limits the reach or the height or the depth that you're digging. So if you have obstacles like an overpass or you have a known depth. And then you have lift assist, which takes your lifting chart and puts it into a easy to digest, easy to understand visual representation. And then you have a payload weighing system. So easily keeps track of how many trucks you've loaded at what capacity. With all the technology being added, the ideal targeted customer for like a full package would be a higher end contractor, somebody who's working with different infrastructures that have certain requirements for maybe a 2D or a 3D grade system. And having those autos enables you to put a more junior operator in the seat and still end up with the same finished product.
For more videos like this, click the playlist on the screen now.